Hello everyone. Today we are going to build voice agents. AI voice agents are autonomous AI powered system that interacts naturally with humans over phone calls or digital platforms to handle tasks like customer service, scheduling and lead qualification. We are going to do it through Vapi. So Vapi.ai is the website, and Wapi, what it does, it actually helps you to build voice AI agents that can make and receive phone calls. This is the developer platform for building voice AI agents. They take care of all the complex infrastructure, whereas we can focus on the workflows and automating the calls. So, how voice agent allow you to do so? So these actually help you in making a call, receiving a call, have natural conversation with the end users, and integrate with your existing system as well as APIs. It handles complex workflows like appointment scheduling, customer support, and more. Now, must be wondering what goes in the backend actually. Does the system understand our words, our voice, or how it interacts? The main funda, how voice agents work are, it actually, when we speak out something, it converts the speech to text. And that particular text is sent to the large language model where it is processed. The conversation are actually processed. It generates the intelligent response. And once we have the response, it is again converted back to a speech and sent back to the agent as a response. So if we go through the pictorial representation of this one, how a receptionist job can be automated. Suppose there is a therapy, a hospital or somewhere where a therapy is going on, and there's a receptionist whose profile we need to, whose workflow we need to automate. So a patient call, it comes as an incoming call. A WAPI speech to text gets converted over there, sends to some LLM where it does processing, and then it figure out what to respond back. It can also check on multiple parts like your service, your location, what kind of service you are trying to avail, whether it's a therapy or you are going to consult something, or you have some query. It can check your location, it can ask for a date and time, and based on date and time it can check the availability from a Google Calendar, and then it can decide, sends back to you a response, and do the confirmation also. They can do the appointment booking also. It can send you confirmation via email, SMS, or via calendar invite. So these integrations can be done easily inside Vapi. Now Vapi allow you to do it in couple of ways. One is a assistant mode where it is a single way of system prompt, and then the another one is a squads where some more complex workflows can be automated like e-commerce orders, and few use cases you can find out on the site itself. Now we will take you through the Vapi website dashboard. So once you are logged in on the Vapi website, you can see up a dashboard which you can see on the picture right now. So on the left hand side, there is an assistant. When you click on assistant, you will get a list of assistant currently you have. You can create an assistant using a blank template, or you can choose a predefined template which they have provided. So I have already gone through this workflow and created a complete assistant. So this was one of them, Alex. When we click on Alex, you can change on the assistant also. So for now we have taken the Alex one. Now there are many tabs over here. So Alex, the first tab is a model one. What it tells, okay, by the way, when you will register for the first time on Vapi, you will get $10 credits. So you have lots of amount to play and to understand how the flow works, what kind of integration we can do with the Vapi. So as you can see, mine is 9.87 credits left. So moving uh, on the model part, it helps you to see which are the provider which you can choose and what model you are taking right now. I have taken GPT 4.1, and then you can also set some message, first message mode. Now it will be like who will speak first? It is assistant speaks first. So our system will speak first. And what it will speak out? That message we can write over here. Like, hello, I am Alex. How can I help you today? So that's how the conversation will start when it calls a human or when it receives a phone call. And then on the system prompt part, there are prompts that we will send in a very detailed way, which will help LLM in order to process the speech to text things, and then it will fetch out the response in a very intelligent way, which can actually help in deciding how to move ahead. So the prompts I will walk through one by one. So it is the same way actually. Like when we call a receptionist, uh, they actually attend the call till, okay, hello, how are you? Is this a good time to talk to you? If that time is comfortable, they will ask you what assistance they can do, whether you require any kind of a special understanding or you have a special query or you want to know about some kind of therapy or you want to book an appointment. And once that is confirmed, they will ask you name, phone number, what location you want, preferred time, such kind of things. And then on the basis of that, they can check the calendar availability. And if the slots are available, they will give you, or else they will suggest you some other alternate time. So this is how a human receptionist can help you with the whole workflow of doing the appointment. Now, there are so many interactions which actually take lot of time, like the confirmation. They will go through the Google Calendar, they will see other slots also, they will check multiple things, and it may take lot of time. There may be some human errors also at times, but by doing it with agent AI, voice agent AI, it reduces lot of human interventions. It make it very easy, comfortable one, a repetitive one, and the the amount of error which we can have are very much reduced, or it's very less actually. So now let me take you through the system prompt. So like said, it will be the greeting. Is this a good time to talk? If you say yes, it will proceed ahead. If no, they will ask for a better time to call back. And then they will ask you about your name. They will confirm your name. If they will speak out your name again for just making sure the name are spelled correctly. They will ask you for phone number and then the purpose of call. They will give you some details also that what kind of service eh, the people are doing, and then on the basis of that they can also ask for the location, which location you prefer if it is appointment, and then they will ask for the preferred date, time, and then Once everything is done, they will check in the Google Calendar. If that slot is available, they will respond you back uh, by confirming that these are the details that are fine, whether you want to proceed ahead. And that's how, if everything is fine, the appointment will be booked and you will get a email confirmation or the kind of confirmation that we have set. For now, this is like a Google Calendar invite that will be sent. Okay, and then they will close the call by greetings, thanking, and also. Now, in the next tab, we have voice configurations where we have used the provider Vapi, and there are multiple kind of voice over here. So, Elliot is the voice that we have taken. We will not go in very depth, but we will try to understand the very basic flow that how the agent can be configured. Now, we can change the providers also. It can be multiple providers, which from where we can select which kind of voice we want to have, that also we can choose. And yes, of course, we can change the language also. We have taken a transcriber is someone which actually transcribes the thing. It can be in languages, English, Hindi, Spanish, or any languages. Deepgram has English language only, so we have taken this one for now. You can choose anyone like Google. It has Bengali, it has Chinese, Dutch, and many. So this way we can change the transcriber also and the language which we want to have. Then, as I told you, once the confirmation are done, they are going to send you the Google Calendar invite, and they will also, before sending the invite, they will check the availability from Google Calendar. So these they will do by integrating Vapi with Google and Google Calendar, and that can only be done by configuring it over here in the tool section. So for that, when you will come first on this page, you will not have any tool. You need to create the new tool that can be created from here also. So when you click on create tool, there are so many list of tools that you can integrate. You can have Google Sheets, Google Calendar, Slack. There are MCP integrations that you can do, and API request also. So for now, we have taken Google Calendar, and it has couple of tools. These are two different tools actually, checking the availability of the slot on Google Calendar and then creating the event. These are two tools. So both tools we have selected it, and that tool was integrated over here. So integrating the tool actually requires you to add couple of more things. Like when you will click over here, you will see tool setting will get opened, and on that tool setting you have calendar ID. That calendar ID and time zone you need to set. For now we have taken the same thing, American New York, and calendar ID you can get from the calendar, Google Calendar itself. So when you will open the Google Calendar and go to the setting page, you will see the Google Calendar ID over there. Okay, and same thing we need to do for the second tool of Google Calendar, because the same integrations we need to have. This will be for checking the availability. Now, once this is done, we will go back to our assistant, which we are creating, and then when we click on tool, it will have those tools available. We can select it from here, we can remove it, whatever we want to have. As Vapi is now talking to our Google Calendar, that integration is done. It can be used by our assistant, and after selecting, it will be visible in the same fashion as you can see on the screen. Once all these done and you have done some kind of changes, Every steps are done now. These are the basic step, very basic step. You need to click on published. So as I have not done any kind of changes in this one, it is a disabled one. In your case, it will be the enabled one. So whenever you do any kind of changes in these settings, you need to publish the assistant. Otherwise, your changes will not be implemented. And once this is done, your agent is ready now. So how it talks now? There are a few things like you can see the JSON format of the code. There are code details over here. Uh, Chat, test, and this talk to assistant. This talk to assistant is the part. Okay, when you click on this one, you will see what you have implemented so far. So let us play. It is connecting right now, and then it will start the call, and you can hear the voice also, and it will have everything coming in the caller transcript, and the flow that we have created that will come over here. And once you are done, you can end the call. So this is how the whole things work, and you can view the call logs also. Okay, so you can see 9.87 to 9.85 credits it has reduced for a few seconds. So that's quite affordable and a good one to taste such kind of tool. And all the best, enjoy. And if you have any query related to the integration part, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, just click on the like button, subscribe it for such kind of future videos also. And good day. Have a nice day.